Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Toast with Toxic Custom Sneakers, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to tape up a pair of sneakers the right way for paint. So let's get it started. The materials we're gonna be using, these are all the different tapes. This is regular 3M masking tape, blue painter's tape. Same thing here, a little bit thinner. This is Scotch 2060. This is gaffer's tape. This is for filming and photography. I use this for the Sockliner. Same thing here. This is medical tape, the stuff that kind of feels like skin. This is the one I prefer for the Sockliner. This is painter's paper masking, protective paper for the floor and so on. I use this for the inside of the shoe, for the tongue, for the bottom of the shoe, so I don't have to waste so much tape on the bottom. And this is yellow frog tape, low adhesive. I use this when I've already laid down some paint and I need to put masking over the previous layer of paint. When taping off a shoe, I like to start off with the sole, and I like to use small pieces, as you can see, and I'd rather not use an X-Acto blade, so I go in there and try to get the edge as close as possible. And I do, instead of doing one big piece, I do small pieces. Alright, there we go. These are the sides. I like to get this brown paper, and I use this to cover up the bottom, so I don't gotta waste this, cover all this in tape. To the other side. Go down the length of the shoe, which is very easy. And again, this is just how I do it. Look, that was 1, 2, 3, very easy. As your sock liner goes, like I said, I use this this medical tape. I want to lay it down with no tension at all. Leave it with a little bit of slack even. Right, there you go. That's what the sock liner looks like. And a quick way to close this off, to close off the inside of the shoe, what I do is and there's the finished product. Shoe completely taped off, ready to get that work. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button, turn your notifications on, and again, thank you very much for your support. I'm out of here, guys. Later.